Well, students, class 9 group, JSS English High School, Vijaypura, Karnataka. Welcome for today's lesson, Unit 6 continuation going on, exercises and all, including grammar, vocabularies, etc. Already types of sentences. I have already grammar part in the given textbook of class 9. I have already told you how to go through it, because after that in a progressive way, when I will start your reference study, that time lots of reference examples etc. you will get it, and you have to become mentally fit and fine to grasp all the views and ideas. That time it will not be a burden. So students, I always guide in English literature and English language. Whichever board doesn't matter, English is English. So it is a foreign language to the Indian student. So what will you do? Whatever the prescribed textbook, always follow it in details. Keep on reading word by word, line by line. Do all the textual question answers fast. Then all exercises, fill in the blanks, match, true or false, etc. Vocabularies, grammar, whatever grammar, notes they have given, examples, there is a functional grammar. So try to read and understand and make notes in your big notebook, so that your total doubt will be over and your thought clarification will be nice. Concept will be ready. Our main target regarding each and every privileged lesson prescribed by your SSLC board in your state Karnataka, that one because of your mind map setup, and mind map will be set up in English. If you chapter wise, don't neglect any exercises, don't neglect any textual question answers. Textbook and textual, everything is very vital. After that we will do for reference, that one before the board exams, that is called revision part. That is different. 10 years question paper, this, that, so many things, huge matter will come. You will not be able to go through it. Class 9 means you are 10th board to me. I treat you as class 10th board student because you are in class 9. So don't think you are in 9. I am not thinking about your auto promotion or these and that or these lastful matters. I don't want to go through all these things. I want to see you just serious children in front of me like board student. So your thinking skill should be like board. That's why in details I am going through types of sentences. Grammar 2, page 114. In the previous video with the attached lessons you have already got. All the attachments should be ready with you. From there you will start making the notes. The notebook should be complete. Okay. Don't be in any misunderstanding that no, class 9, so these that. You have to sincerely, deeply go through all the exercises, all the question answers, whatever grammar, vocabulary, then comprehensive notes, etc. Whatever drafted, print out given in your textbook. And keep on reading all the textual matters. Keep on reading all the chapters, word by word, line by line, so that each and every word, all the meanings, sentences wise concept should be ready. You should know each and everything about the prose and the poetry part. So student, continuation part related to unit 6. The program today in our lesson is that one. Task 1, page 115. So page 115, before going to start, obviously recap your memory. That one, unit 6 going on 16/12/2020. The Nobel Bishop Victor Hugo. And here concept, reading comprehension, learning points, obviously vocabulary, grammar. That one I would like to finish. Then poetry, I have told you I will start. So task 1, page 115. Get ready, plus 9 group. Page 115, task 1. Say whether the following sentences are simple, compound or complex sentences. In my previous video lesson, I sent you all the textual material solving by myself, the attachment, but including that also, I explained. After my explanation, you have to keep on reading and writing tasks you have to fulfill. You have to make the notes, otherwise you will forget. So, simple means, once more I am repeating you, read grammar in this way, one finite verb. And what is this? I am a convict. Simple sentence because has only one main clause. Now, secondly, complex. This type of sentences are all complex. See, task 1, page 115. Now here I will tell you, I will send you attachment also, I will tell you which sentence, which one. But you should be ready with your concept. If any board paper or any competitive exam show you any sentences and question drafted there that write, or any interview board asks you, can you tell Mr. or Miss or Mrs. this this one which category sentence? Simple, complex, compound. They will not tell you simple, complex, compound. They will not give you all these things. They will simply ask that type sentence. You will think about the history of sentences. No, sentences means type 3 sentences. That one, simple, complex, compound. Simple, only one finite verb, one main clause. Come to the point of this one, complex sentence. Here, previous recapitulation going on. I am a beast now and they made me what I am. And, so here coordinating conjunction and, but, etc. you are getting. Obviously, your sentence will be compound. And but, by adding this coordinating conjunction, you are creating the sentences, and obviously this sentence is what? It is actually your compound sentence. Now in the compound sentences, you see this one, it is a compound sentence. A compound sentence has 2 or more main clauses. That is your sentence number 2. Here, I am a beast now and they made me what I am. So, these both parts are main clauses. They are joined by a coordinating conjunction and. This is very, very technical part in compound sentence. If you well connected with this matter, the technical part, technically you have to read English. Otherwise, you will read, you will forget. Whenever anyone in any board or any interview board, they will ask you, you will fail to give the answer. And English grammar, vocabulary is compulsory. They will check your pronunciation, they will check your understanding level, reading test, and then any corporate house, anywhere, even for central government competitive exam also. So be clever about all these things. So this is important. Grammar is very, very important. So here compound sentences means coordinating conjunctions like and, but you are using, and both the things which part you are joining, both the parts are here. If this one you take here, page number 114, the second statement, sentence, whatever you may say, that I am a beast now, comma, and they made me what I am. So 2 main clauses, and in between you are getting what? And coordinating conjunction. Very good friend, coordinating conjunction. So this is obviously compound sentence. Now clear your mind from simple and compound. Now come in front of stage with complex sentence. What is this complex sentence? See, it is a complex sentence. Which one? Sentence 3. Here also you are getting 2 parts. While we have supper, your bed will be made ready. While we have supper depends on your bed will be made ready to have its full meaning. So one is main, one is means one is dependent, another one independent. One is independent, main is independent. Principal independent, main independent. Now another one is dependent on another one. Please don't be in confusion, 9th group. What I am telling you, exact that one. You continuously, that's why we are sending to YouTube. You continuously go through it. Memorize, 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 memorize. Try to understand. Ready concept. Then again you write. Find out few sentences. Thinking skill should be broad so that you can understand that 3 categorized sentences. So clear your mind. Try to understand. Deep yourself into complex sentence. So complex sentence has always one main clause, that is the principal, P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L, principal, main clause, principal clause. It is not dependent on anyone else. It is totally independent matter. But dependent one is different one. That one or more, subordinate. One principal you will see in every school, every college, or one director. And under them full team working. So they are subordinate, they are not independent. Independent is that principal, independent is that director, independent is that chairman. But under that one team is working, that one is subordinate. What that leaders say, like one captain, okay, started the journey, the voyage, ship, S-H-I-P. The captain is the leader, captain is all in all, captain is dictating. Independent, but full team, sailors, others, technical body parts and in the passengers, those who are everybody a team, that one subordinate. So this type of sentences where you are getting one main clause and another one dependent on the main clause, that one subordinate clause. So what happened, dear student? A complex sentence has one main clause and one or more subordinate clause. Got it? So here you are getting in this way, it is while we have supper, your bed will be made ready. Got it? Did you understand? Is it clear to you? Very good. Now next, I will come back shortly with the continuation of the sentences part, that one, test 1, test 2, test 3 in the next video lesson. Till that moment, you read on. God bless you.